the guy's stupid face too.
Alright, get in. She likes you.
Oh, yeah, okay. I'm coming to the rescue. Paw Patrol! Fuck yeah! One more puppy power to save the day, yeah!
The motherfucking.
Paw Patrol! Fuck yeah!
I'm leaving that video. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are focusing on the plow rig. Probably one of the most important things that we can do as snow operators. We're going to do in this video today. So we got to hook the blade up, which actually she's in. We just got to, it's just a matter of really locking it in. Because I don't think we did that. No, we didn't. We just got to lock it in, plug her in, and get going. But what we're doing today is really key for these trucks to keep going, and that's maintenance. We have a warm day, well, warmer day. We've been so freaking cold, it's unreal. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the blade and we're gonna take the truck down to the wash bay. We're gonna get them all cleaned up, get them looking good, because again, it's warming up. You know, we're gonna see 40 degrees here shortly. Yes, she's a rust bucket, but she's mine. And honestly, I don't like it looking like shit. I like to have clean garbage. Dirty garbage is bad. But also because we're going to be turning around, we're going to be putting it in the shop. And we are going to do an oil change, and we're going to change out the fuel filters, rather. But so we're going to wash this. We got to wash Sally still, and then we got to get Lola to fire up. Bring her out. And honestly guys, it's been so freaking long, I haven't even had a chance to show you the new rig yet. I put a post up on Instagram a while back. If you don't follow me, it's at Rubber Ducky Diesel. And then did absolutely nothing with it. We got a box of parts in from our friends over at Merchant Automotive, so depending on how this one goes today and how much time it does or doesn't take, we can go ahead and bring that one over and get some work done to it as well. And I give you guys a quick overview on it. We're gonna hook up the blade, go get this thing washed up. Let's have some fun today. And just like that, we are in. Off camera while this place was warming up, I did some remedial things like plug my passenger side window back in, because when I took the door panel apart the last time, I'm an idiot and didn't plug it back in. And also I put the driver's side mud flap on, which you can see how much that helped me with after washing it. But this right here, guys, something as simple as what we're doing right now. I don't think we're going to be able to see it because my light's too bright. But anyway, we're 55 degrees in the shop right now. My cameras aren't focusing for crap. But really thaw out your equipment. Like we had, we ran into an issue earlier with the MVP. It was frigid ass cold. We were stacking snow. Started acting up a little bit, but nothing major. My Unimount actually did that. My 7.6 did that last year too when we hit frigid temperatures and then we were stacking snow. We were just packing the mast, everything with hard packed snow. So the oil is draining right now. We have there. Not good at this, but anyway, we have all the filters and everything there. We're going to change all the fuel filters, and oh yeah, and then we are going to take the Ultra mount and we are going to WD-40 the crap out of this thing because we washed it. And honestly, look at how pretty that moldboard is for it being an older plow. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Supposedly we have like this massive ass snowstorm coming, which keeps moving further and further south. There was no way we were going to get 17 inches of snow. I mean, if anything, we're going to get like a 17th of a dusting. So whatever, don't judge me. So anyway, we're just going to keep moving forward. Really not a whole lot to talk about, you know, oil change. Again, letting everything thaw out. Our connectors there, you can see they are oozing with dielectric grease. We already cleaned them out with WD-40. Stuffed some dielectric in there, so we're good to go there. Again, hammering the moldboard. And then just going to take care of, you know, a couple little odds and ends on the truck, you know, checking fluids, all that. I've gone over this in previous videos. Also, this right here is why you don't run in open air intake during winter months, because I mean, look at all that salt. That's just disgusting. Look at that. I gotta work on that. So anyway, back. Hang on. What's the fuel pressure at?
10.
Are you fucking serious?
Creeping up.
Oh my god, fire it up. Fuck you, Leah. You're such a great operator. Okay, that's where we're gonna leave things off, guys. We got all finished up. Like I said, one of the best things that you can do for your truck and your snow plowing equipment, mine was up for, what are you doing?
I don't know.
My Leah was here. She was, see, now you got me fucked up. Thanks a lot. But anyway, Leah, she was up for service, so we went ahead, changed that oil. We got the last bit of that Rotella T in there. Oil filter, fuel filter on the head here, and then the filters for before the air dog.
Which, FYI, guys, check your local gas station. Some of them might have some Rotella tea still on the shelves.
Yeah.
FYI.
Well, you could tell the idiots that were the toilet paper hoarders, that were car people, because they're hoarding the fucking Rotella tea, which is funny because none of these Nancys even know how to, well, they don't even know what a fucking oil filter looks like. But anyway, like I'm saying, guys, it was actually a good buddy Bogoma that brought up a good point to me that, you know, after a big storm and all that, you know, this thing gets froze up, the truck gets froze up, bring it in, thaw it out, and it's not like it's an extravagant idea, but it's a damn good idea, which, by the way, big fella, if you take a look at the plow, it's all greasy for you. We got her all WD'd for you. So, but anyway, Leah's all set to good. She's ready for the next go around. So we're gonna get her out of here, but that's where we're gonna end it. So I'm always bad at the transition part. I had something else too. Oh, it's because I'm stuck on this. I really should have warrantied out the air filter, but I didn't. But
Peace out, boys. Stay classy and, you know, keep it real.
what is it? And as always, fuck you, San Diego. Anyway, take care, God bless, be good to one another, and we will see you on the next one. See ya.